Hi, this is Sasha Brusin with a quick tip on how to figure out the melodic minor scale. Two ways actually. One, the melodic minor is like a natural minor with a raised sixth and seventh. So here's my natural minor. That was A minor. So all I have to do is raise the sixth and the seventh notes. There we go. Melodic minor. Now, another way you can get to that same pattern is take a major scale and lower the third note, and you will get the exact same sequence of notes. So, major scale was this, but now melodic minor is, there it is.